Oh wow. It's a fire alarm. It's 2 a.m. right now. I have to go to bed soon. It's coming from the city center parking garage. Hey Fluttershy, I hear a fire alarm again. Oh no, not again. Right, Elinor? Yes. Let's take a look. I'm sorry it's getting a little late for asking this. Do you hear it? It's nighttime in White Plains. Yep, you hear it. The fire department will be coming until it's here of this location. Alright, I'm going to bed now. I hope it stops soon. Okay, that'll be it. Abby, do you hear the fire alarms? Right, Emo? Emo. Emo, do you hear fire alarms? No, not fireworks. Not fireworks, Emo. Fire alarm. Not fireworks. Okay. Oh, I hear a fire truck coming. Emo? Hey, Emo? Emo? I don't want fireworks. I don't want fireworks. New Year's Eve is over. Emo! Emo? I don't want fireworks. I hear a fire truck coming. Okay, I think the fire alarm stopped now. Let's see. Okay, yep, fire alarm has stopped. Although the fire truck are still standing right now. Yep, the fire alarm is now stopped and turned off. Well done, White Plains, New York. You're a hero. You saved the city with fire alarms turned off. Alright, hope you have a good night, everybody. I guess we're not doing it in the morning. Anyways, good job, White Plains. You saved the fire alarm turned off. Alright, have a good night. So, that's it. Yeah, it's gonna leave. We're not gonna watch the fire truck leaving outside.